Today we have this 1915 Corona folding antique portable typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. It folds, the top folds down like this, and you put it in the case like that, nice and compact. Very unique typewriter. I only made these for a certain amount of years. I don't know how many years, but only the antique ones were made this way. The margins are located in the back here, and it's got this paper tray finger that folds up to hold the paper. And these are your margins. You just push and move from side to side on each side. I got them set where I want them, which is right after this finger and right before this one, so they don't get stuck on it or type over it. And if you get too close to that, your vibrator can get stuck on it, so you want to make sure that that's right. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. You hit this line space, gets you back to the beginning, and skips 1 or 2. Right now we have it on single, but if you want to put it on double, you just turn this little knob here and it'll skip 2, just like that. We're going to keep it on single for now, or it skips just 1, and we'll return to that next line. I was able to type all the keys on this one. It's considered a 3-bank because it has 3 rows. And also the key heads, these key heads have 3 letters on each one of them, so you have a cap and a figure shifter, and I'll show you how to use that. The cap will just do all the uppercase letters on each of these rows, and then the figure will hit the special characters, which are the numbers and the symbols. So I'll show you how that works. Just hit the regular Q and it has a lowercase. You hit an uppercase Q, it has an uppercase, and the figure has a 1. And those tend to be a little high. I don't know if that's on purpose or it needs to be adjusted, but it still looks fine. It's not that off. It also has this lock here that locks both of them. So you just push it down and slide that up and it'll lock. It's got figure and cap on each side. Backspace works good. I'm going to type a sentence on the next line here. I really like this machine. Types really nice, and it's just fun. It's fun to have. Print looks really good too. You can see the numbers are a little higher. Sometimes these old-fashioned typewriters have that. Some more unique looking numbers. To pull the paper out easy, there's a switch on the right side here. You flip that forward and it unlocks the roller underneath the platen, allowing you to pull the paper out easy or load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. You can flip these back down just like that. And got a carriage release on each side here. And those work good. And that's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.